Welcome to Motor Max, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated superbikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha R1. Yamaha has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance, and the latest R1 continues that legacy with cutting-edge technology, aggressive styling, and track-inspired engineering. Whether you're a die-hard Yamaha fan or someone looking for a high-performance machine, the 2025 R1 promises an exhilarating riding experience. Revamped design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Yamaha R1 stays true to its race-derived DNA but comes with refinements that make it more aggressive and aerodynamic than ever. The front fairing has been redesigned for better airflow, reducing drag while enhancing stability at high speeds. The twin LED headlights now feature updated DRLs that give it a sharper, more menacing look. Yamaha has also integrated more carbon fiber elements to reduce weight, improving overall handling without compromising durability. Powerful cross-plane engine. At the heart of the 2025 R1 is the legendary 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 cross-plane engine, which has been fine-tuned for even better performance. Yamaha has worked on improving fuel efficiency while delivering more torque in the mid-range, making it an absolute beast on both the streets and the track. Expect a power output of around 200 horsepower, ensuring breathtaking acceleration and top-end performance. The ride-by-wire throttle system has been enhanced for smoother power delivery, while a revised exhaust system helps meet stricter emission norms without sacrificing that signature R1 sound. Advanced electronics and rider aids. Yamaha has packed the 2025 R1 with state-of-the-art electronics to enhance control and safety. The 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, enables precise traction control, wheelie control, and slide control, adapting to different riding conditions. The latest quick shifter system now works seamlessly for both upshifts and downshifts, allowing for clutchless gear changes with ease. A new customizable riding mode system lets riders fine-tune throttle response, power delivery, and suspension settings according to their preference. The R1 also comes with launch control, ensuring perfect starts on the racetrack. Updated suspension and braking. The 2025 Yamaha R1 is equipped with fully adjustable Alliance electronic suspension, offering improved damping for superior handling. Whether you're carving through corners or hitting high speeds on straight roads, the suspension adjusts in real time for optimal stability. The Brembo braking system has been further refined, featuring dual front discs with radial-mounted calipers that provide exceptional stopping power. Yamaha has also upgraded the ABS system to offer cornering ABS, ensuring maximum control even under hard braking in turns. Cutting-edge TFT display and connectivity. One of the standout features of the new R1 is its advanced 6-inch full-color TFT display, which provides real-time data on speed, RPM, traction control settings, and lap times. Riders can now customize the interface, switching between road and track modes for a more tailored experience. The R1 also features smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to receive calls, messages, and navigation updates directly on the screen. Yamaha's Y-Connect app lets users track riding data, maintenance schedules, and even adjust certain electronic settings from their phone. Final thoughts: a true superbike icon. The 2025 Yamaha R1 continues to uphold its reputation as one of the most thrilling superbikes on the market. With a perfect blend of power, aerodynamics, and advanced technology, it remains a top choice for riders who crave performance and precision. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush on the track or a high-performance ride for the streets, the latest R1 delivers on all fronts. Yamaha has once again proven why the R1 is a true icon in the world of superbikes. Stay tuned to Motor Max for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Yamaha R1. Does it live up to the hype? Ride safe and see you in the next one.